Look, the Prime Minister is irrelevant. The man who's calling all the shots is the army chief. He's already, there are statements of him on the social media. I mean, these statements are frightening. If you read what he's saying that whatever happens, he's going to make sure that my party PTI is demolished. I mean, this is what's come out in the last few days. So who do you talk to? The Prime Minister is irrelevant. They are just puppets. And the man who, by the way, I have over the past few months made several gestures that, I'm a politician. I won't dialogue with anyone, including the army chief or with the establishment. But I'm afraid it takes two to tango. There's no one to talk to.